Here I have TCL 405, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, first let's open settings, then you should go to the smart manager, then go to the battery, and here you can enable this normal saving mode. So this is just basically power saving mode. Here you can also adjust some of its settings. You can enable dark mode during this mode. You can set up a schedule for it. Select start time, end time, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.